Hi, welcome to the second part of Golestan Palace. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel and share it with your friends. Every single Friday and Tuesday, I'm going to show you a new tourist attraction in Iran. Golestan Palace complex served as the residence of the Qajar dynasty, who ruled Iran from the late 18th century until the early 20th century. It was not only the seat of power, but also a center for lavish ceremonies, official receptions, and royal entertainments. Golestan Palace witnessed significant historical events and played a crucial role in shaping Iran's political and cultural landscape. In recognition of its outstanding universal value, Golestan Palace was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2013. It is considered a masterpiece of Persian architecture and an important symbol of Iran's rich cultural heritage. In this episode, we are going to visit Emareh, Emarat-e Badgir, Pond House, and Anthropology Museum of Golestan Palace. By the way, I have another episode about Golestan Palace and I put the links in the description. You can watch them. Emarat-e Badgir of Golestan Palace in Tehran is the third construction of this complex considering its age. The mansion was constructed during Fatali Shah by Iranian architecture. The name was taken from the tall wind catchers of the mansion. Emarat-e Badgir of Golestan Palace consists of a big Shahneshin and two small rooms connected to it. The hall has 9 sash windows and 2 painted spiral columns which are truly breathtaking. The coloring and decorations of the walls, ceiling, and the ground are all fantastic paintings and mirror works. Under the mansion, there is a big Howz-khaneh with 4 wind catchers on 4 sides, which were used to ventilate the air in the summer. Emareh in Golestan Palace is one of the most important constructions of the city due to its height. It is important to mention that Emareh is a 5-story construction, which was really rare those days. It seems that Nasser-ed-Din Shah was inspired by looking at pictures of Europeans' tall buildings before traveling to those countries. He ordered to build a tall mansion so he and his wives could be able to have a nice view over Tehran. The Pond House or Howz-khaneh of Golestan Palace is one of the most beautiful parts of the palace, which truly depicts the combination of Iranian and European architectures. Golestan Palace is renowned for its intricate designs, exquisite tile work, and opulent interiors. Each building within the complex showcases a unique architectural style representing different periods of Iran's history. The marble throne hall, with its impressive mirrored walls and intricate stucco decorations, is a true masterpiece. The brilliant hall, adorned with beautiful stained glass windows, is another highlight of the complex. Abyaz Palace is one of the most beautiful palaces available in Golestan complex in Tehran, located in the downtown. The palace is used as the Anthropology Museum of Golestan Palace in Tehran. The palace where the museum is located in was constructed upon the order of Nasser-ed-Din Shah to restore the gifts presented to the king by the Ottoman Emperor. The building is totally white in the facade and was inspired by the architecture available in 18th century in Europe. Anthropology Museum of Golestan Palace in Tehran consists of calligraphy, photography, sculpture, and carpentry workshops, and has 47 booths allocated to the pieces gathered from different parts of Iran. Today, Golestan Palace welcomes visitors from around the world who are fascinated by its historical significance and architectural beauty. The complex offers guided tours, allowing visitors to explore the various buildings, admire the stunning interiors, and learn about the palace's fascinating history. It is a must-visit destination for those interested in Iranian culture, history, and art.